Now we will discuss about inline table valued functions. Okay, so here table as return type instead of scalar data type. Like, so this is the scalar function. Okay, so inline table valued function means here data type is return. That means after returns we need to specify data type. But coming to this inline table valued function, table keyword will be specified. Okay, and function body is not enclosed between begin and end block. So here begin end block will not be there in inline table valued function. Okay, and the structure of the table that gets returned determined by the select statement within the function. Okay, so we can return more than one value. That means more than number of columns. So that depends upon the select query. Okay, so I'm going to write one table valued function here. And here fn underscore test or else inline table valued function. And first we will check with without parameters. Here returns table and return select from emp to by apartment number. So same column we will use here, and sum of salary as sum salary. Okay, so we will check this. So how do you execute this function? Select. I already told that DBO. For this one, DBO is not required. Okay. Here, why? Because here we are using select star from. Okay. In inline table valued function, syntax is select. Okay, which is similar to the built-in function syntax. But here, select star from fn underscore in table. Okay. So syntax is select star from that function name. So if you write select star from, so function fn underscore in table means, so it will search about the table. So if it does not there, so it will considered as inline table valid function or multi-table valid function. In which case it will be used. For example, I am writing one query like department better to write here. Okay, select star from and cross apply. Now copy this query and B, and right here select star from. Now execute it. See how many values are there. So here ID column in previous session I have created. Remove that column. I am executing both queries. If you run that function, inline table value function, we will have three records. Okay. If you execute this query, then how many records I am getting? Total 18 records, 15 records. Okay, 15 records. So 50 department number is available. That's why it is getting one more, 3 more records. So delete from department where department number equal to 50. Now in department table, how many records are there? 4 records. Okay, if you execute this function, second data set, 3 records are having. Okay, if you execute third query, then how many records are there? 12 records. That means here I didn't specify any condition. Okay, so I didn't take any column from A alias A table and passing to the B table. Okay, so that's why this cross apply works as cross join. That means multiple of A into B. Okay, multiplication of A and B. So A is having 4 records, B is having 3 records. Totally, we are getting 12 records. Okay, so here I am not passing any parameters. Suppose if I pass any parameters like department number, integer, and here I am passing department number equal to department number. Okay, and alter. Now execute all these 3 queries. So here it is expecting parameter like 10. Pass 10. 10 sum salary will be displayed. Here I am passing a dot department number. Then check only 3 records. That means this 10 is passed to this fn in table valid function. Then so it will calculate sum of the salary of particular department. Okay. And again 20. It is passed to this function. It will calculate some salary. It will display. Same like 30 also. Okay. So you can have like, why? Because only one, we are passing department number, no? So no need to use group by function also. So if you execute this, see, same thing. Okay. So here 40 department number is not available. So it will display null. So it will pass, but it will return null value. See, in earlier session, I have clearly tell that cross apply that will be used whenever we are going to join with table with functions, then cross apply will be used. Okay, so we can't join table with function by using join conditions. Okay, see, you can write like this also, inner join will not allow to join. Okay, so it will not allow. So that is about inline table valued function. So here clearly observe that returns should be table and body and end will not be there. Structure of the table gets returned, that is determined by select statement. Okay. Next.